Simplifying expressions with grouping symbols and side grouping symbols. Okay. In the order of operations agreement, we follow the operations inside the grouping symbols first. Consider this expression here. Notice we have nested grouping symbols, parentheses inside parentheses. Okay, so you follow the order of operations inside parentheses. So you end up doing the innermost set of parentheses first. So in this particular problem here, we'll simplify what's on the innermost set of parentheses first. Six minus 8 is going to be a -2. Minus 2 to the third. Okay. So now we take care of what's in here inside these brackets. So I have 6 divided by, here really what I have is 4 plus 2 minus a negative becomes plus a positive. So 4 plus 2 is 6. So I have 6 divided by bracket 6 here. When you have one symbol and value inside the parentheses, you can drop the parentheses. So taking care of my parentheses. Now I do have an exponent there, so I'll take care of the exponent next. 6 divided by 6 minus 2 to the third, which is 8. Okay, so I took care of exponent, multiplication and division. I have division here. 6 divided by 6 is 1 minus 8. Addition and subtraction. 1 minus 8 is a -7. And that's the answer to that problem there. So I try to show every step so you get an idea of what's going on. So in essence, to simplify this one here. Okay, looks like I got everything. So now when I do this one here, this is example 8. Parentheses, I'll take care of the innermost set first. So 4 minus 3, bracket 4 minus 2 times 6 minus 3 is 3. Close parentheses, bracket, divided by 2. So I still have to simplify what's in the parentheses here. So I have subtraction and multiplication, so I'll take care of the multiplication inside the parentheses. Okay, so 4 minus 3, bracket, 4 minus 2 times 3 is 6, divided by 2. Okay, so what's inside these brackets is 4 minus 6, so I have 4 minus 3, bracket, 4 minus 6 is a -2, divided by 2. Okay, so we have one value. You can drop the parentheses if you want. So I have -2 times 3 is going to be 4 minus 6 divided by 2. So it took care of multiplication. Said negative 2 times 3. So taking here, I have a division that's left. So I have 4 minus 6 divided by 2. Four minus 6 divided by 2 is 3. And 4 minus 3 is 1. So I got a different answer than what they got there. So when I look up here, I see 4 minus 3 is 1. That agrees. And I see the division by 2 there. So here I have negative 2 times 3. Negative 2. Negative 2 times 3 should be a negative 6 here. Okay. And that changes things. So I'll have 4 plus 6 divided by 2. And 6 divided by 2 is 3. So I have 4 plus 3, which is 7. And that's your answer there. So like I said before, when you do a top-down approach like this, and if you make a mistake, you can find your own mistake by just simply backtracking to where you find there's a disagreement, where the lines disagree, and you can learn from your own mistake. Okay. Let's look at another one here. Parentheses. So I have 27 divided by 5 minus 2 is 3. So I have 3 squared here plus a negative 3 squared here times 4. So taking care of parentheses exponents, I have 2 there. So I have 27 divided by 3 squared is 9 plus negative 3 squared is 9 times 4. So take care of my exponents, multiplication and division. So I have 27 divided by 9, which is 3, plus 9 times 4. So here I have 9 times 4 is 36. So I have 3 plus 36. Addition and subtraction makes it 39. So you have to be careful, like I said before. You have to watch your signs. Be careful with your signs. Watch your signs. Okay. Simplifying expressions with a fraction bar. The fraction bar can be considered a grouping symbol because it separates the numerator from the denominator. Okay. So when you simplify the expression, you want to simplify the numerator completely first, here, or simplify the denominator completely first. You don't want to jump back and forth following the order of operations, because you get garbage then. Okay. So in this example here, 10, two squared times 3 plus 12 divided by 16 minus 32 divided by 2 to the third. Okay. So I follow the order of operations for the numerator, simplify, or follow the order of operations for the number and simplify completely, either one. Okay. So what I chose to do is simplify the numerator first completely. So I have here 4 times 3, taking care of my exponent, plus 12, 16 minus 32 divided by 2 to the third. Then I simplify my numerator even more. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 12 divided by 16 minus 32 divided by 2 to the third power. Here we have 12 plus 12 is 24. I have 16 divided by 16 minus 32. Divided by 2 to the third. Now I'm going to start simplifying my denominator. So I have 24 divided by 16 minus 32 divided by, so I'll take care of my exponent first. 2 to the third is 8. Okay, so take care of no parentheses. No, I took care of my exponent. Next thing is what? Multiplication and division. So 24, 16 minus 32 divided by 8 is 4. Okay, so I have 24, addition and subtractions. 16 minus 4 is 12. And 24 divided by 12 is 2 for my final answer there. And that's the end of that section there.